The SBF funding has given us the opportunity to reach out to a target audience that we've not been able to reach as often. I'm Alice, I'm an active adult officer for Active Sport and Leisure. So the street football project aligns with Active Sport and Leisure wanting to combat loneliness and isolation. So we wanted to work with women and girls in the local area. So we decided to go with football, a team sport, just to kind of bring everyone in together, work on teamwork, confidence. We also have housing advisors come to the sessions from Carmarthenshire County Council. They've been brilliant, bringing that human element to it. So it's not just a person you're emailing, it's an actual person you're playing football with, but also finding out housing opportunities, information on benefits, services that people can go to for additional support. So it's been really important to have the SBF funding, being able to provide extra equipment and resources for the ladies back at Hope House as well. It just means that there's a bit more of a lasting legacy.